Okay, this is the solution to task 5. In task 5, we've got 195 milligrams of potassium, so that equals 195 divided by 1000, which equals 0.195 grams of potassium. So we need to convert that to moles. So it's 0.195 divided by 39.1, which is the atomic mass of potassium, and that equals 5.0 times 10 to the minus 3 moles of potassium. Okay, look at the equation. We see the 2 moles of potassium make 1 mole of hydrogen gas. So therefore we know that the moles of hydrogen gas will be equal to exactly half of the moles of potassium, which is 2.5 times 10 to the minus 3 moles of hydrogen. So therefore we convert that to mass. Hydrogen has a mass of 2, so it's 2 times 2.5 times 10 to the minus 3, which equals 5 times 10 to the minus 3 grams, which is equivalent to 5 milligrams.